Hi friends, for this recipe you need some salt to taste, medium curry powder, garlic granules, and some ground turmeric. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to wash the rice, and for this recipe we are using about 1 kilo of basmati rice. Make sure you discard the water once you have washed it. We usually wash it about 2 times, but I know some people wash it between 3 times and 5 times. It really depends on how you want it, because I know the more you wash it, the less it sticks. So do it however you like it, but wash it about 2 times. Next, add in half a tablespoon of salt. You might want to use less. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, which is the ground one, and half a tablespoon of medium curry powder. You can use any type of curry you like, and half a tablespoon of garlic granules or garlic powder, whichever you have. So this is how it should look like now. So the next step is to add in water. So we've got here 1 liter of water that we are going to add to the rice. But again, we are using 1 liter, but some people like their rice mushy and some very mushy, but we don't like it like that. So we think 1 liter of water is more than enough, but again, do as you please. Next, mix it so that all the spices get well incorporated in it. Don't forget to taste it because you might need more salt. Alright, next step is to place it in the rice cooker. So this is a quick yellow rice in the rice cooker, and it is much easier. Now place the lid and put it on cook. And this is it. This is your quick, nice and tasty yellow rice. Alright my dear friends, so this is how to make a very tasty yellow rice or yellow curry rice in a rice cooker. You can also use it on the stove, but I know some people struggle with cooking rice on the stove. So if you have a rice cooker, this is the quickest possible, easier method ever that you can use for your yellow rice. And also, this is the part 1 of the second video that will come after this one, which is how to make yellow rice fried rice. Okay, and it is a wonderful recipe that you need to try. But first, master this one and then see us in our next video. Thank you all for watching and see you next time. Bye bye and stay blessed.